How to use Google Authenticator app. So if you want to use the Google Authenticator app, then here you will have your Authenticator application. So make sure to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. Now, once you've installed, you will get this kind of interface. So I've already logged in. You can simply go and log in. And here you will have your security codes. So you can simply go with the plus, which is on the bottom right. And here you will have two options, which is scan a security code, scan a QR code, and then enter a setup key. So you can simply go with enter a setup key, and then you can enter your key and you can give it a name. For example, if you have the authentication or authenticator code of Facebook, then you can go with the code name and then you can add Facebook code and enter your 16-digit key, and then go with time-based or counter-based. So I'll be choosing time-based, and then tap on add, and you will add your two-factor authentication or your Google Authenticator to your Facebook. But if you want to scan a QR code, then simply go with scan a QR code. And if you choose that QR code option, then you just need to simply go and scan the QR code, and you'll be able to add your authenticator with a QR code. Go with the upper left, where you will have all of these settings and transfer codes and how it works. You can simply go with the how it works to know about the Google Authenticator app. Or you can simply go with profile, which is on the upper right, and then choose other accounts for your Google Authenticator. So to use the Google Authenticator app, you can simply go with the bottom right side where you have the plus icon, and then you can add your setup key or your QR code, and you will receive the codes right here. So you can simply enter these codes to log into your account. So that's how you can use your Google Authenticator app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.